How to find gender settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find gender settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram Lite and then click on your profile, and here you will find these three lines in the top corner, and then click settings, and here you will find this one, account, and then just click here, uh, personal information, and as you see here you will find gender, and here you can change your gender on Instagram Lite. Just select here any gender you want, male or female, and then click save, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.